CBSE Sample Paper IT 402. CBSE has just published the official sample paper for IT. This is the video for solution of CBSE sample paper IT 402. I can assure you of 100% mark if you watch this video and follow other videos which I will upload after this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Computer from Subhash. So in this video we will discuss the Information Technology CBSE sample paper for first term of 2021-22 batch, and you can see that this question time allowed is 60 minutes and total marks is 25 marks. So out of the whole syllabus, the syllabus is divided in communication skills, then self-management skills, then information and communication technology skills. And then there is question related in for technology skills. This is the important part. Third part is the important part, and we will discuss on that part. And the communication skills and other things are very easy for the class 10 students, and that is related very basics communication related things of the English, and then very basic management related thing. So next we'll learn only the digital. So the maximum marks is the from this part, that is the subject specific skills, that is the digital documentation, electronic spreadsheet and database management. So out of 25-20 question is from this parts. So we'll concentrate these parts, and I will assure you of 100% to you can score 100% marks in these subjects if you give little bit of time for these subjects and watch my videos. I will upload 6 or 7 videos to cover this whole course. So hoping that you will watch these videos, and I can assure you of 100% marks. Next, digital documentation, the total marks is 11, electronic spreadsheet total marks is 13, and database management, the question 3 marks are there. So now we will go to the question section B part. Section A consists of the English and management skills related things. So section B, you can see that 15 marks is there, and there are 20 questions, so you can skip 5 questions. So that's why I told you that it is very easy to score marks. Now the first question of this section B, that is the 7th question. When you apply blank space, you apply a group of formatting effects together in a one single step. So that is known as the style. Style will be the right answer. That is the answer. This will be the right answer. So style is this one. So style will be is the perfect answer. Now second is the 8th number question. Now what is actually style is little bit discussion over style. So style is a set of formats that you can apply to a selected page, text, frames and other elements in your document to quickly change the appearance. When you apply a style, you apply a whole group of formats at the same time. So that means that you have a collection of formatting tools or formatting things stored in a one place, and these things you can apply in a particular area of the document or a whole document. This makes the editing or formatting of a document very easy, and it saves also time. So the right answer is the style. Next question is which functions cannot be performed through subtotal. So subtotal requires some group related functions. So a set of rows values should be there. So sum average is the can be performed through the subtotals, and product is also performed, but percentage is not required in the subtotals. So the right answer here is the cannot be performed is the percentage. Now next question is ninth question. In a document refers to the vertical or horizontal placement of a graphic in a relation to the chosen anchor point. So vertical and horizontal, that is the if you want to align a image or graphic, that alignment is depends on the horizontal and vertical position. So the right answer is the C, alignment. Next question is the 10th question is a model that you use to create other documents. So template. So template is actually a design, and that design is stored there like a answer will be the tile. So tile means what? This is used in the background of a document like for using the logo or the watermark textual matters. So that will number question. So in this 13 number question, scenarios are a tool to best to test question, that is the what if. Scenarios test the question what if. What if analysis means that organizations or sometimes uh, try to check in a future if they change something, then what will be their effect in other places. So in the different through different set of data, they check the what if something happens in this way, then what will be their effect. So it is the trial and error, and they get the something information, they takes the decision for future related to. So scenarios is a tool to test question what if analysis is there. Right answer. 14 number question is particularly useful when creating a watermark when wrapping the image. So transparency watermark you can create using the transparency. This is the right answer. Next is the question is that it refers to a cell or range of cells. So range of cells you don't have to read more. So range of cells means cell reference. Range of cells means sensor. 16 number question. Totals add data in arranged in that is a group of cells with labels or columns. That means this is subtotal. So the right answer is here subtotal. Next question is related with next question, 17 number question. A hyperlink contains the full address of the destination of file or web page. So the answer is the hyperlink contains the full address. The hyperlink contains the full address of the decimal file or a page. So that is the a hyperlink, a absolute hyperlink. An absolute hyperlink contains the full address of the destination file or absolute means that address which contains the whole path, that is the if the file is in some particular directory, then you will to go from the C to C drive. Suppose this is the structure there, and some files are there in A and then B, and there some a.txt is there. So absolute path is this, that is the C column, then A, and then A dot txt. This is the absolute path. So this is the right answer is the absolute path. Next is the question number 19. And that is the which of the following more elaborate form of this. So actually more elaborate form is the form of goal 6. So this is the scenario. That is the scenario. Next answer, next question is the scenario. Next 18 number question is the answer is the scenario. So goal 6 is also known. Goal 6 is also known. The next question, which of the following is more elaborate form of goal 6? So it is the answer is the cell. Goal 6 is actually a what if analysis. So solver is the uh, right answer. It is the right answer. Solver is the right answer. Next, 19 number question. 19 number question means a combining data in a spreadsheet from different worksheet into master worksheet. So combining the different worksheet in a single worksheet, that is the collecting the different worksheets and producing a reports using this all the worksheets which is in the different places, that is known as the consolidating. Consolidating is the right answer. This is the right answer. Next is the next question is the and in link we will stop working only if the target is more. So absolute, and this is the absolute and relative. So absolute link will stop working if it is moved well. So absolute means fixed and relative means it can change. So there are three types of addressing method: absolute, relative and fixed. So absolute means that it cannot change. So right answer is 20. Answer is absolute and relative. Absolute and relative. So we'll learn these things in further videos, details. So this is the right answer. Next is the 21. A database servers are referred to as a backend. Database servers provide the data related backups, or it stores the data. So it is the backend. And this is the answer. Next question is the table is a set of data elements that is organized using a model of vertical and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal, vertically we arrange the columns and horizontally we arrange the rows. So the right answer is the columns and rows. So next question is the next question, vertical and horizontal, that is a rows. 23 question includes fonts, alignment, borders, background, number, formats. This is used for in which styles? So numbering styles, that is the font, alignment, borders, background, number, formats, currency, date, number. So these things are used for cell style. All these things include in the cell style. So we'll learn these things in further videos detail. The 24th question, by default seat staff are present at the, so seat always its position is at the bottom. Seat 1, seat 2, seat 3 in this way. So 25th, the cell reference in a spreadsheet for range. So reference means that is the one. So this is the right answer. Cell reference can be represented by B2, then column, then the cell address, then first cell address, then the next cell address, and in between there is a column. Now 26th question is the controls how graphics are stacked upon each other or relative to the. So this is the answer is the arrangement. Arrangement controls how graphics are stacked upon each other or a relative to the. So this is the answer. So we'll learn these things in details in the further videos. Next, this is the question competency based. So actually this is the scenario based questions. All the some different case study based questions. So now millennium, there is a question related with the Millennium University is organizing a this is the Millennium University is organizing a reunion meet for students. For this is the they want to send the same document for different students, and for doing this we use the mail merge. This is the right answer. So mail merge is the right answer. Next question 28. So Prisa is a book editor. She wants to change the indentation of all paragraphs and change the font of all titles in a book. So it is related with the styles. 28, question number 28 is the styles. So you want to change everything related to a book. Now next question is 29. So a Gaurav has interested in a image in a document. He want to remove the unwanted area. So for removing the unwanted area, you use the clip art. You use the clip art. No, use sorry. This is not the clip art. The crop. Crop is the right answer. So cropping, you can remove the unwanted area. Next 30 is the Hema is a character chartered accounts. She maintain accounts. So spreadsheet on everyday basis. So for doing the question is actually to do some repeated works daily. We use the which tool we use in a spreadsheet. So we use the for doing the repeated works daily we can store those steps in a single file, that is known as the macro. This is the right answer. Macro is the right answer. Next is 31, question number 31. So 31, this question Raj has created a worksheet where he has added all the information of his employee. He wants every employee to go through the worksheet and update their address and phone number if required. He would like to know the change done by his employee. Which feature is enabled to see the change made by the. So he wants to make sure that everyone has changed their address. So there is a facility known as the track change. So track change, and through this you can check the things. Next is the next question is 32. Akshat wants to store a huge amount of information about his firm in a database. Which type of table organization will be most? So actually this answer is relational database is the right answer, but in your it can be also there either relational or flat file. Next is the 32 question is Sunita is making a project in a spreadsheet. Her friends has told her how to rename a spreadsheet. So actually this question is related with the how many times you can rename a file. So actually in a GUI system, that is the window based systems, we have all the times every work has the 3 or 4 types of option. So in this case for renaming a file, this is the 3 types of option is there. So option is there, that is the save as, and then using the right mouse button, and then you can make a copy. So 3 is the right answer. So all these answers you can answer these things very easily, and you have the option to skip leave some questions. So it is very easy to get 100 out of 100. So hoping that this video will help you to get good marks. And if you want to know the topics, and you have to follow the videos which I will upload after this. So thank you for watching. If this video is informative to you, like the channel and subscribe it. Thank you.